Hello guys and welcome to another Docker tutorial series. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to customize your Windows terminal. Now over here, as you can see, I have a working environment that looks very nice, it looks very clean. It gives me a lot of information about my code, such as right now I'm working in GitHub and it's telling me which branch I'm in, those type of stuff. You don't have to know this right now, but it's just an example. If I print out my objects in my screen, as you can see, it gives icons instead of me having to read, is this a file, is this a folder, whatever. It just gives icons, which is much more nice. But this is actually very simple to do. It's not as difficult as it seems. What you want to do is first stop using your old Windows PowerShell terminal, whatever it is. Your default one, stop using it. It looks very dirty, it looks very ugly. It's not nice. You want to use another thing called Windows Terminal. Now, you just go to the Microsoft Store, search up Windows Terminal, and click install. Once it's done, open it. Then you will be greeted with a terminal that looks something like this. But what you want to do is the background is going to be different color, the fonts are going to be different. What you want to do is you want to go to settings and change it by going to the PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and appearance. Now over here you can pretty much figure it out on your own, so I'm not going to be showing you step by step. That's a bit too simple. Instead, I'll be teaching you how to get custom fonts. Now these custom fonts will help make your Windows terminal look more clean. So without these custom fonts, I wouldn't have icons that look so good like this, these color filled in boxes. I wouldn't have these. So what you want to do is, in order to get these custom fonts, you have to go to a website called Nerd Fonts. Here, as you can see, I just searched up Nerd Fonts and clicked the first link, and I have this page open. What you want to do is you want to go to the downloads and pick whichever one you think looks the best. Personally, I think one that's called JetBrains looks the best, so that's the one that I have downloaded for now. What you want to do is you want to look at the zip file. So you're going to be downloading a zip file, and then you just extract it out and click on the file. You see a bunch of files like this. All you have to do is drag over the entire thing, or maybe press Ctrl A, right click it, and install, and then install, or install for all. Sometimes it says install, sometimes it says install for all. Just click that and you're good. Now you have that font installed. Now in order to use this font, it's very simple. Just go to the settings, the PowerShell, and just click font face and change it to the one that you like. Done. Now here is where you have to install a few packages. These packages are PSReadLine and oh-my-posh. Let's start with oh-my-posh. What you want to do is use this command right here, which I'm going to put in the description. It's called install module oh-my-posh and Scope CurrentUser. Once you install that, use another command that looks something like this, and it's done. It's that simple. Now that you have oh-my-posh installed, you just have to install a PSReadLine, and in order to do that, you just paste this on right here. Remember, everything is in the description. What PSReadLine will help us do is have kind of like this history effect. So when I type, it kind of auto finishes for me. So as you can see, it gives me all the options that I've done in the past about what I'm about to type. Now, there's only one more step that we have to do once everything is installed. Basically, what you want to do is write notepad and $profile. Once you click this, your profile will be empty. It won't have anything. You just want to copy and paste from the description below and you're pretty much good to go. So once you paste this in, close it, or save it and close it, and then close your terminal and reopen it, you should be good to go. So that will be all for today's video. Hopefully you learned something new, and goodbye.